Okay, what we're going to be doing today is learning some basic Pathfinder options, and we're going to be making these 5 objects at the top. So let's go down to the first one down here. Alright, now we need to make sure first of all that our view smart guides are turned on, and there we go. And also let's have a look for our Pathfinder options under Window, Command Shift F9. Okay, there we go. Now the first one's very easy. I've got my selection tool selected. I'm just going to click and drag everything, and I'm going to hit this first tool, which is to unite. Alright, there we go. Next, let's go along. I'm going to do this a little bit differently. I might just view my outlines using Command Y, and I'm just going to select my small circle here. Make sure I've got my my rotate tool selected, and I'm just going to look for the center of the big circle. My smart guides will tell me when I'm at the center. Now I'm going to press the Alt button and then hit click, and I might just make this 90 degrees, hit copy, and now I'm just going to duplicate that, so Command D and D again. Okay, when I'm finished I can go back to normal view, Command Y. Right, now I can use my Shift tool to select all my small green circles and Object Group, Command G. And now using the Shift button, I'll press the red circle, and now I'll just go to my second tool here, the minus front. And there we go. Okay, third one across, a little bit more different. I've got these 4 green circles. I'm Shift selecting them. Now, they're 4 separate objects. I don't want to group them. I want Illustrator to think of them as one object. So to do that, I need to go to Objects, Compound Path, and Make. Okay, so it's a little bit different from Group. Group keeps them as 4 individual circles. Compound paths make it into one object. Alright, I've got those selected. Now I can go to my red circle, Shift click on that, and now I'm going to go to the third one across, my intersect, and it'll intersect, and there we go. And if I want to change the colors, I can use my group select tool, my white arrow plus, and I can just go on and just change them like so. Alright, so quite simple. Okay, next one along, a little bit different. Now, if you have a look, these are actual circles. There's no fill, but a green stroke. Now, I want that to be the other way. Alright, so I want it to be, instead of a stroke, I need it to be a fill. Alright, so I'm going to Shift select all my shapes, all my circles. Now I'm going to hit Object and Expand Appearance. Now when I do that, have a look down here, and you'll see what happens. Object, Expand Appearance, and bang. They've just gone from shapes with a stroke and no fill to a fill with no stroke. Alright, and now that I've done that, again, I'll hit Object, Compound Path, and Make. Select it with the red circle, and now I'm going to do the third one across, my fourth one across is my Exclude. And there we go. Okay, last one along. Okay, I've just drawn a black line along this red circle. I'm just going to go along and press my Divide tool, click, And now I can hit my group selection tool, and I can just move them around like so. Okay, very easy. And there you have it. Okay, great way to, you can really do a lot with these tools. This is only a basic introduction to them. Yep, thanks for watching.